Alright, this episode is an accident that I saw on Woodmen Boulevard. It's westbound, and I was heading eastbound the other way and saw it and was in the process of doing a U-turn, just waiting for the light, and then saw the fire truck go by. And so I figured they had it under control, and so I pulled into the parking lot to see if I could get some film. And so it looked like a 3-vehicle accident. Of course, the firefighters placed their engine to block traffic and provide scene safety. And so they get out and start assessing everybody. And there were no injuries. And then they come up with a plan to clear the scene once they make sure all the vehicles are drivable. So I can't tell if that first vehicle was actually involved or if he just stopped. But, 3 vehicles were stopped, and certainly 2 of them had damage. So the truck starts repositioning to close additional lanes. And so here it's 3 lanes plus there's a right turning lane. And so you can see the apparatus is blocking those lanes, and he's trying to stop all traffic, but of course somebody tries to scoot by and then gets air horned and then told to stop. So they direct the vehicles to go ahead and move out of the roadway. The firefighters pick up a little bit of debris real quick. And then they get back in their engine. So the vehicles, they pull into this parking lot of REI. You can see some of the damage there for the vehicle that got rear-ended. And they're basically waiting for arrival of Colorado Springs Police Department. So, nice job by Colorado Springs Fire Department, quick response, and they got the roadway cleared and then headed back to the station for their next call, I guess. Alright, well, hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.